Hi, my name is Lila, and welcome to the Hope Channel for your Monday Morning Magic, where inspiration plus information equals transformation. Today's topic is excellence. Excellence. Excellence requires us to excel. To excel requires movement. What area of your life are you excellent in? That you have excelled in, that you have met your own personal standards in? And what areas of your life do you need to excel, that you need to move into? Excellence is not about shortcuts. Excellence is not about procrastination. Excellence is not about apathy. Excellence is about moving forward, creating a standard of living. To excel means to do it anyway, whether you feel like it, whether it's too hard, whether you understand it or not. Excellence means to move through something, whatever those obstacles are. If it's fear, do it anyway. If you don't know how, then find out. If we are not in the mood, get in the mood. Excel, move forward and become excellent. Excellent. Not perfect, but excellent. To have a standard, to be impeccable in what it is that you're doing, whatever it is that you're up to. Let it show in your work. Let it show in your deed. Let it show in your behavior. Let it show in your speak. Let's be excellent today. This has been your Monday Morning Magic. Like, share, subscribe, or leave a comment. I'll see you next Monday. Hi, if you would like more information on Hope, feel free to contact us at www.helpingotherpeopleeveryday.com. And remember, inspiration plus information equals transformation.